नमस्कार, मेरे चैनल में आपका स्वागत है। न्यू ब्लॉग में आपका स्वागत है। तो आज का जैसे टॉपिक है स्पोकन इंग्लिश। तो रिगार्डिंग दैट आई एम गोइंग टू डिस्कस इन दिस वीडियो। सो करेंटली आई एम इन बोकारो डिस्ट्रिक्ट, स्टेट ऑफ झारखंड। सो दोज दे वांट टू लर्न इंग्लिश, हाउ टू स्पीक, आई कैन हेल्प यू इफ़ यू आर स्टेइंग इन चास बोकारो। आई एम स्टेइंग इन बोकारो. So regarding spoken English, I am to give you few tips in home how you can speak with your friend, how you can initiate without coaching or without help. If you want to take my help, I can help you, but here only. Otherwise, whatever I am going to discuss in my online classes, this will help you to speak English if any other part of India you are staying currently. So spoken English, particular those they belong to their they used to speak their native language. Maybe those they are staying in north part of India, so they used to speak Hindi. Other than that, they are staying in Karnataka, Kannada, then Tamil Nadu, Tamil they are speaking, and like that, vice versa. Those they are staying in Himachali they used to speak Rajasthani language they used to speak. But how they can start to speak English? The first most they used to suffer, they used to get first is hesitation, हिचकिचाहट. They used to hesitate how to speak English, how to start to speak English in front of others. मेन होता है हिचकिचाहट. And why they used to get hesitate? क्यों हिचकिचाते हैं? कि मैं गलत बोल दूंगा, सामने वाला क्या सोचेगा, what they will think if I am not speaking English properly. Any grammar mistake is there, fluency is not good, pronunciation is not good. Got it? So listen carefully, my friend. You are learning just a language. English is just a language, not a skill. But in India, particularly in the north part of India, it is known as skill. If you know English, you are educated, you are good in study. If you speak in Hindi, even though you have completed PhD in Hindi, even though you won't get respect, if you are 10th pass, you are able to speak fluently English, so they will consider you as a highly educated person, highly reputed person, and so on. Like this mindset is there in India. इंडिया में ऐसा mindset है. इंडिया में आपको इंग्लिश बोलना है अपने नेटिव लैंग्वेज से, तो आपको सबसे पहले जो हेजिटेशन है ना, हिचकिचाहट, दैट उसको ओवरकम करना है. वो डर से आपको जीतना है. ठीक है ना. यू हैव टू बी कॉन्फिडेंट. ठीक है, क्या बोल रहे हैं नहीं बोल रहे हैं. जस्ट आई विल गिव यू जस्ट एग्जांपल. एनी न्यू born kid they used to speak their native language, mother language. Those they are born in Hindi, वो हिंदी बोलेगा. They born in Karnataka, they will speak Kannada. Those they born in Tamil Nadu, वो तमिल में बात करेगा. ऐसे इन सोन जो राजस्थान में पैदा वो राजस्थानी में बात करेगा. ठीक है. बट वो बच्चे को क्या, दैट किड नो हाउ टू रीड दैट पर्टिकुलर लैंग्वेज, हाउ टू यूज द ग्रामर प्रॉपरली? नो. जस्ट बाय लिसनिंग फ्रॉम देयर पेरेंट्स, मदर, फादर, ग्रैंडफादर, ग्रैंडमदर, अंकल, ब्रदर, वो सुन के दे आर कीप ऑन लिसनिंग. तो सुन के दे यूज टू कॉपी, दे यूज टू मेमोराइज, दे यूज टू स्पीक. गॉट इट? द सेम थिंग. तो व्हाट यू हैव टू डू? फर्स्ट हेजिटेशन, हेजिटेट नहीं करना है आपको. ठीक है. यू हैव टू कीप ऑन स्पीकिंग. सबसे पहला काम आपको क्या करना है? रीड इंग्लिश न्यूज़पेपर. इंग्लिश न्यूज़पेपर. ठीक है. सबसे पहला काम करना, फर्स्ट व्हाट यू हैव टू डू, रीड इंग्लिश न्यूज़पेपर एटलीस्ट 30 मिनट डेली. दैट टू फ्रंट पार्ट ऑफ द न्यूज़पेपर. लाइक दिस इज द न्यूज़पेपर टाइम्स ऑफ इंडिया. फ्रंट पेज you have to read it, don't go inside. The front page you try to read it out. So why I am telling front page you need to read? Front page they are using common word, common sentences, so it is very easy to read, very easy to understand, and day to day life these words are used inside. So many topic is there inside, so they used to use some difficult word meaning that is not regularly used, some different sentences. So it will help you afterwards. जब अंग्रेजी सीख जाएंगे then it will help you. But starting, try to reach the front page. That is more than sufficient, and at least 30 minutes. So you have to twist your tongue. तो हिंदी में बोलते हैं वो टंग रहता है, तो you have to practice your tongue exercise, how to pronunciate. Pronunciation is very important. Second, what you have to do, a newspaper, you need to learn the word meaning, new words, English words. So daily at least you need to learn 10 words. 10 word meaning is must, that too daily life, whatsoever you are working, daily routine, what you are doing, you are going to market, what you are going to buy, you are speaking with somebody, you are reading something, so related to that, whatsoever word meaning you are getting, that you need to memorize. ठीक है. Third, what you need to do, listening, सुनना है. You need to keep on practice regarding listening. So any news channel, BBC, CNN, or any news podcast, so try to listen daily 1 hour. How much you are going to listen? If you listen 5 hours, you learn fast. If you listen 7 hours, you learn even fast. जितना सुनेंगे, that much fast you are going to learn English. Why? Because जितना सुनेंगे, you will come to know how they are speaking, where they are using a grammar and whatsoever. So it will be very helpful. 3 most things. First is reading newspaper, memorizing word meaning new, and listening is very important. Fourth, what you need to do, writing. Daily you need to write at least 1 page, not more than 1 page. 1 page is more than sufficient. Whatsoever you are getting, daily routine, or whatsoever you are going to market, what you brought, and anything, whatsoever you want, anything you decide and try to write 1 page daily. And one more thing is, whatsoever you are doing now, be consistent. Means regularly you have to do. Regular. You have to do regular 30-minute newspaper reading, that daily 10 word meaning you have to memorize. Daily you have to listening 1 hour news channel, BBC or anything, any news channel. Daily you have to write 1 page, and you have to be regular and consistent. Means daily you have to do. Out of 7 means 7 days including Sunday also. Be consistent. Daily you are putting effort, 2.5 hours or 3 hours, means daily you need to put effort. Got it? And one more thing, try to your friend, if they are speaking in Hindi or your native language, to try to speak in front of them in English. They will teach you, क्या है English में बात कर रहा है, why not you are talking in our native language. You tell them, bhai please help me, because I want to learn English, how to speak. If you are helping, then it is good. Leave. If they are teaching, they are commenting, and whatsoever you are telling, just close your ears and do whatsoever regarding you want to do to learn English, how to speak English. So you will be consistent, you will do this thing regularly, though definitely it will be very helpful. And continuous you are doing now, 100 days is more than sufficient. Within 100 days you will start to speak English, that too simple English I am telling. If once you will start to speak simple English, that is more than sufficient. Or anybody, those they are in Bokaro, Jharkhand, they want to help from me regarding how to speak English, so I can help you. I can arrange some groups, so where you can sit, you can talk with, so many people will come, so along with them you can chit chat. It will be very helpful. Group discussion like 1 hour, 2 hour you are doing, at least 1 hour you are doing group discussion, it will be very helpful. So within 100 days you will be perfect in English and you will start to speak English. तो आज के वीडियो में रखते हैं इतना ही. Today's up to here only. Next video I'll share with you some more tips.